Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss exercise 9.3. If you didn't watch my previous videos, the link is in the description, watch it. Okay, bit number 1 is, in a circle of radius 10 centimeter, we have a circle with radius 10 centimeter. A chord subtends a right angle at the center. One radius, two radius. In between these two radii, one chord is there. And he is clearly mentioning that the radius is of 10 centimeter. Here also 10 centimeter. Next, subtends a right angle. These two radii are subtending a right angle at the center. Then find the area of the corresponding minor segment. So this part is the minor segment. I will write some names A, B, C and some point here D. So if we observe this BCD area, this shaded part, this minor segment area we need to find out. So it's very easy. ABDC, this total part is sector area minus ABC is triangle ABC area. ABCD is a sector. So from this total sector area, I will remove this triangle area. Then obviously we will get the shaded part. So sector area minus area of the triangle is equals to segment area. So here, if we take this line BC, above this line BC total one segment, below this BC total one segment. This part is more, so this is major segment. This part is small, so that's why this is minor segment. So in this case we are considering about minor segment. So minor segment area is equals to area of the sector minus area of the triangle. Then we will get the segment part. Okay, now first I will find the sector area. Area of sector. What is the formula for area of a sector? Theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta, angle subtended, he said clearly right angle, so 90 by 360 into pi value. In the question he didn't mention that, take the pi value as something 22 by 7 or 3.14 or something else. So if he didn't given anything in the question, so say take simply 22 by 7 into r square. Radius is 10, so 10 into 10. 90 1s are 94s are 2 2s are 2 11s are 2 1s are 2 5s are. So in the numerator we have 11 into 5 into 10. 11 5s are 55. 55 into 10, 550 divided by, in the denominator only 7. So area of the sector we got as 550 divided by 7, and all the measurements are in centimeters. So this area will become centimeter square. If you observe clearly, we got the area of a sector as 550 divided by 7 centimeter square. Here I am not writing the decimal point of this because it will be used as it is in the next step. Now we will find the area of the triangle. Okay, I am drawing that only triangle separately. ABC triangle. He mentioned the radius as 10 centimeters. Next, and he clearly said that it is maintaining 90 degrees at the center. So if I make that into two equal parts, here right side 45 degrees and left side also 45 degrees. So if we will write here as some point D. This right side one triangle, left side one triangle, which are right angle triangles. So now I am taking this right triangle. Here it is 45 degrees and this is point D, point C, this is 10 centimeters and this is point A. By using the trigonometry concept, we are going to find this CD as well as AD measurement. This is angle this is opposite, this is hypotenuse. Angle is there opposite to hypotenuse, which is sine. So sine 45 is equals to opposite CD divided by hypotenuse 10. Sine 45 1 by root 2, which is equals to CD divided by 10. I'll do cross multiplication. CD into root 2. CD root 2 is equals to 10 into 110. I will take this root 2 to the right side. It will become division. So 10 divided by root 2. CD is equals to 10 divided by root 2. We don't want any irrational number in the denominator. So multiplying and dividing by root 2 again. 10 into root 2. 10 root 2 divided by root 2 into root 2. 2 ones are 2 5s are. So CD is equals to 5 times root 2. Here CD measurement is exactly equals to this BD measurement, because same angle 45 degrees, same measurement 10 centimeters. So BD, CD both are equal to each other. Here CD is equals to 5 times root 2 means BD is also exactly 5 times root 2 only. So BD plus CD is nothing but the total measurement BC. So BC is equals to 5 root 2 plus 5 root 2, that is 10 times root 2 centimeters. This BC is nothing but base of the triangle. Next, I will try to find this AD. Here 45 degrees is there. This AD will become the adjacent and hypotenuse. So I will take cos. Cos 45 is equals to adjacent AD divided by hypotenuse 10. Cos 45 1 by root 2 is equals to AD by 10. Here also 1 by root 2 is equals to CD by 10. Here 1 by root 2 is equals to AD by 10. So same answer we will get again. AD is equals to 5 root 2. Here AD is nothing but the vertical line, which is a height. So now we have triangle base as well as triangle height. So let us find the area of the triangle. So area of the triangle is equals to half into base 10 root 2 into height 5 root 2, which is equals to root 2 into root 2. 2, that 2 and denominator 2 will get cancelled. So we remains with 10 into 5, 50 centimeter square. Area of the triangle we got as 50 centimeter square. Okay, then we need to find out the area of the minor segment. So area of minor segment is nothing but sector area minus triangle area. Sector area in the previous page we got, that is 550 divided by 7. Now we got the area of the triangle as 50. So let us do subtraction of these two. Okay, we need to find the minor segment area, that is nothing but sector area minus triangle area. So sector area we got as 550 divided by 7 minus triangle area we got as 50. So here 550 as it is minus 7 into 50, 350 divided by 7, which is equals to 550 minus 350, 200 divided by 7. So 200 divided by 7 centimeter square. Divided by 7, if we write in decimal point, we will get 28.57 centimeter square. So the area of the minor segment is 28.57 centimeter square. Okay, let's move to next question. Next, in this second question is given as, then find the area of the major segment. So here this minor segment area we got just now. Then we need to find out this total upper part area. How we will find out that? From the total circle area, if we subtract this minor segment, then obviously we will get this major segment. So major segment area is equals to circle area minus minor segment area. Okay, we know circle area formula, that is pi r square minus minor segment area we got as 200 divided by 7. Here pi value is nothing but 22 by 7 into radius is given as 10 centimeters into 10 centimeters minus 200 divided by 7. 22 into 100, 2200 by 7 minus 200 by 7. Here both the denominators are same, so we can subtract the numerators. 2200 minus 200, 2000 divided by 7. We are finding the area, so it will be centimeter square. So the major segment area is 2000 divided by 7. So if we write the decimal point of this, 285.7 centimeter square. So we got the major segment area as 28.57 and major segment area as 285.7 centimeter squares. Okay, next question is, in a circle of radius 12 centimeter, a chord subtends an angle of 120 degrees at the center. Then find the area of the corresponding minor segment. So it is also same like the previous problem only, but in the previous problem he gave it as 90 degrees. Now here it is 120 degrees. So we have a circle, a chord. From the center, if we join the radii, he said clearly this is maintaining 120 degrees. And radius is given as 12 centimeters. So here it is 12 centimeters, 12 centimeters. I am naming this A, B, C and some point D here. Okay, he is asking the area of the corresponding minor segment. So only in this case he is asking minor segment only. Whereas in the previous question he asked minor as well as major also. Okay, first we need to find the area of the sector. Area of sector is equals to theta by 360 into pi r square. Here theta is given as 120 degrees divided by 360 into pi value 22 by 7 into radius is given as 12. So 12 into 12. 0, 0 cancel, 12 ones are 12, 3s are 3 ones are 3 4s are. So we will get 22 into 4 into 12 whole divided by 7. 22 into 4, 88. 88 into 12, 1056 divided by 7. We are finding area and all the measurements are in centimeters, so this will become centimeter square. I am not going to write the decimal point of this because as it is I am going to use for the next step. Of course, if you want, you can write, no problem with that. Okay, now we need to find out the area of this triangle. So let us draw this triangle separately first. Okay, for the triangle, he said that these two radius are 12, 12 and the angle is 120 degrees. So what I will do, I will draw one vertical line exactly here. So this will become 60 degrees as well as this will become 60 degrees. And I will name this point as D. So now this right side part triangle I am drawing here separately. This is DC, this is A and this is 12, this angle is 60 degrees. Now we need to find out this CD as well as AD. So if we observe this clearly, here angle is there, this is opposite and this is hypotenuse. So I will apply sine. Sine 60 is equals to opposite CD divided by hypotenuse 12. Sine 60 root 3 by 2 is equals to CD by 12. I will do cross multiplication here. So 12 into root 3, 12 root 3 is equals to 2 into CD, 2 CD. Here 2 ones are 2 6 are. So CD is equals to 6 times root 3. CD is exactly equals to BD because all the measurements are same. So if CD is 6 root 3, then BD is also 6 root 3 only. BD is also 6 root 3. BD plus CD is nothing but the total side BC. So BC is equals to 6 root 3 plus 6 root 3, 12 root 3. This is nothing but base. Next, let us find this AD value. We have here angle 60 degrees and this AD will become the adjacent and hypotenuse is 12. So I will apply the cos. Cos 60 is equals to adjacent AD divided by hypotenuse AC, that is 12. Cos 60 1 by 2 is equals to AD divided by 12. Here 2 ones are 2 6 are. So AD is equals to 6. This AD is nothing but height of the triangle. So let's find the area of triangle. Half into base is 12 root 3 into height is 6. So here 2 ones are 2 6 are 6 into 6 36 times root 3. We are finding the area, so we need to write centimeter square. Now we need to find the area of the minor segment. Area of minor segment. Area of the minor segment is nothing but the area of the sector minus area of the triangle. So in the previous case we got the area of the sector as 1056 divided by 7 minus this triangle area is 36 times root 3. Okay, now here 1056 by 7 minus 36 root 3. Here I don't have any use with this denominator, so I am writing this decimal now here. 1056 divided by 7 is nothing but 150.8 minus. Here root 3 is nothing but 1.732. That is the approximate value. That 1.732 I am multiplying with 36. So we will get 62.3. If we subtract these two numbers, 150.8 minus 62.3, we will get 88.5. 88.5, and all the measurements are in centimeters. We are finding here area, so it will be centimeter square. So the area of the minor segment is 88.5 centimeter square. Next, question number 3 is given as a car has two wipers which don't overlap. Each wiper has a blade of length 25 centimeter sweeping through an angle of 115 degrees. So for example, if we have a window like this, from one point we will be having a blade. That blade is keep on rotating here, or else moving, or else sweeping, and it is covering 115 degrees. It means before switching it on it is here, and after switching it came till here, again moving backward and forward. So this angle it is maintaining 115 degrees, and this length is given as 25 centimeters. Then we need to find out how much area it cleaned. So it is very easy. Always whenever the wiper is moving, it will form in the shape of a circular. So we need to find out the sector area. Okay, then let us find the sector area formula. Theta by 360 into pi r square. Here theta is given as 115 degrees divided by 360 degrees into pi value is 22 by 7 into radius is given as 25 centimeters. 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 7s are 35, 5 2s are 10, 2 36 are 2 11s are. Still any cancellation is not possible, so we remains with 23 into 11 into 25 into 25 whole divided by 36 into 7. Okay, if you observe this numerator, 23 into 11 into 25 into 25 is nothing but 1,58,125 divided by 36 into 7, 7 6 are 42 for 252. So if we do division for these two numbers, 1,58,125 divided by 252, it is nothing but 627.48. And all the measurements are in centimeters, and here we are finding the area, so this will be centimeter square. Centimeter square. And this is for only one wiper, but in the question he clearly mentioned that it has two wipers. So one wiper is covering 627.48 centimeter squares of area. Then what about the two wipers? 2 into 627.48, 2 into 48.96, 2 cents are 14, 4 1 here, 2 3 are 6 7, 2 6 are 12. So 1274.96 centimeter square. So the area covered by the two wipers is 1274.96 centimeter square. Okay, next question number 4 is we need to find the area of this shaded region, and here ABCD is a square with a side 10 centimeters, and 1, 2, 3, 4 semicircles are there in that figure. So if we observe the figure clearly, total square, here 1 semicircle, 2 semicircles, 3 and 4 semicircles are there in that. Now from these 4 semicircles, if we remove this square area, we will get this shaded part. Area of shaded region is equals to area of 4 semicircles minus area of square. Because if we remove this square areas, semicircles, and we need to remove that square area so that this total gap part will go, then we will remain this shaded part. Now first let us find the semicircle areas. Here 4 is there, so 4 into semicircle area 1 by 2 pi r square minus area of the square side into side, otherwise side square. Here 2 ones are 2 twos are, so we remains with 2 into, in the question he mentioned take the pi value as 3.14 into, then what about the radius? This total from here to here, the side of the square is given as 10, so this 10 will become the diameter, then obviously the radius will be 5 into 5 minus square area side into side, that is 10 into 10. Next 5 5s are 25, 25 into 2 50 into 3.14 minus 10 10s are 100. Here 5 4s are 20, 0 to 5 1s are 5, 7.53s are 15, and here one more 0, so this point will be here, so 157 point, this minus 100, so 157 minus 100 is nothing but 57, and we are finding the area and all the measurements are in centimeters, so this will be centimeter square. So area of the shaded region is 57 centimeter square. Next question number 5. Observe this question number 5 diagram and fourth diagram clearly. Here the fourth diagram, the shaded part is inside the semicircles, whereas in this case outside of the semicircles. So here we need to find out this shaded part, so it is very simple. Area of shaded region, area of shaded region is equals to area of square minus area of 2 semicircles. Here 1 semicircle, 2 semicircles. So from the total square, if I remove this square part, from the total square area, if I remove these 2 semicircles, we will get this shaded part. Okay, let's find the area of the square. Area of a square is nothing but side into side, so s into s minus area of 2 semicircles, so 2 into area of semicircle is 1 by 2 pi r square. Here 2 will get cancelled, so 7 into 7 minus pi value in the question he mentioned to take as 22 by 7 into, then what about the radius? 7 will become the diameter, then radius will be 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Here if we write it as 7 by 2 for easy calculation, it will become easy, so that's why I am not writing this 7 by 2 as 3.5. 7 into 7 49 minus, here 7 will get cancelled, 2 ones are 2 11s are, so we remains with 11 into 7 77 divided by 2, which is equals to 49 minus 77 divided by 2, 2 ones are 2 3s are 6 17, 2 8s are 16.5, so 38.5, which is equals to 49 minus 38.5. So it is 10.5. All the measurements are in centimeters and we are finding the area, so this will become centimeter square. So the area of the shaded region or shaded part is 10.5 centimeter squares. Next, question number 6. In the figure, this OACB is a quadrant of a circle with center O and radius 3.5 centimeters. OD is given as 2 centimeters. Then find the area of the shaded part. So he clearly mentioned this OACB is a quadrant. So from this total quarter circle or quadrant, if we remove this triangle, we will get this shaded part. Area of shaded region or shaded part is equals to area of quadrant or quarter circle minus area of triangle. Okay, first area of the quadrant formula 1 by 4 into pi r square minus area of the triangle half into base into height. And for this question, in the question he clearly mentioned take the pi value as 22 by 7. So 1 by 4 into pi value is 22 by 7 into what about the radius? He clearly mentioned it is 3.5. So for easy calculation, 3.5 I am writing it as 35 by 10. So 5 7s are 5 2s are, which is nothing but 7 by 2. So 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 minus half into base of the triangle is 3.5. Again that is 7 by 2 into height of the triangle is 2. Here 2 will get cancelled. 7 cancel, 2 ones are 2 11s are. So we remains with 11 into 7, 77 by 4 into 2, 8 minus 7 by 2, which is equals to, here both the denominators are different. So if I go with the LCM of 8 and 2 is 8. So 77 as it is minus into table where we'll get 8 4s are. So into 4, 7 into 4, 28. So here if you observe the numerator, 77 minus 28, 49 divided by 8. So 49 divided by 8 is nothing but 8 6 are 48, 8 1s are 8, 2s are 16, 6.125. All the measurements are in centimeters, so this will become centimeter square. So the area of the shaded region or shaded part is 6.125 centimeter square. Question number 7. AB and CD. This AB and CD are the arcs of two concentric circles of radii 21 centimeter and 7 centimeter with center O. If angle AOB, this angle is given as 30 degrees. Then he is asking to find the area of the shaded region. It is very easy actually. I will explain with the help of a circle. This circle is there. From the radii, if we draw 2 radius, from the center if we draw 2 radius, then this total part is called as a sector. This sector as it is, he removed and he kept it here. But a small change, instead of one circle we have 2 circles, that is concentric circles. Now this total part including this one he removed and he kept here. Then he is asking to find this area. So it is very easy, bigger sector minus a smaller sector. So outer sector formula theta by 360 into pi r square. But outer sector radius is different, inner sector radius is different, that's why I'm writing is r1 square minus theta by 360 into pi r2 square. Simply we are finding the sector areas. So here theta by 360 pi is there, here also theta by 360 pi is there, so I am taking that common. Theta value is 30 by 360 into pi value 22 by 7 common. Here r1 square, r1 is 21 square minus r2 is 7 square. 0 cancel, 3 1s are 3 12s are, 2 6 are 2 11s are. So in the numerator 11 divided by in the denominator 6 into 7 42 times 21 square 441 minus 7 square 49. Here outside number as it is 11 divided by 42. into 441 minus 49, 392. If you do cancellation, 220 ones are 42, 2 ones are 2 nines are 2 6 are. So in the numerator we left with 11 into 196. 11 into 196 is nothing but 2156 divided by denominator 21. So 2156 divided by 21 is nothing but 102.66, and we are finding the area. All the measurements are in centimeters, so this will become centimeter square. So the area of the shaded region is 102.66 centimeter square. Okay, next question number 8 is calculate the area of the shaded region in the given figure. This area is the common between the two quadrants of the circle with radius 10 centimeter. He clearly mentioned it is having a two quadrants. So let us find out where are those two quadrants. This outer one is one quadrant, second quadrant. So here from these two quadrants, if we remove the square area, then we will remains with this shaded part. So area of shaded region is equals to area of shaded region is equals to area of quadrants. Here two quadrants are there, so area of two quadrants minus area of square. Two quadrants are there, so 2 into area of a quadrant 1 by 4 pi r square minus area of a square s square or side into side. So if we observe here 2 ones are 2 twos are, so we remains with 1 by 2 into pi value he said to take as 3.14 into, then what about the radius? In the question itself he mentioned the circle is having a radius 10 centimeter. So 10 into 10 minus square sides 10 into 10 again. So 1 by 2 into 3.14 into 10 tens are 100. 3.14 into 100, 314 minus 10 tens are 100. 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14. So 157 minus 100. 157 minus 100 is nothing but 57. We are finding the area and all the measurements are in centimeters. So this is centimeter square. So the area of this shaded part is 57 centimeter square. Okay, till now if you didn't subscribe to my channel, subscribe for more videos. Thank you.